to this short I Am business presentation. One type of I Am Worldwide's ways to earn. So this is just fast, around 15 minutes. Ayan, so just to give you an idea kung ano bang meron sa I Am Worldwide, share to you our founders or owners, Mr. Alan Marvin Eder and Ms. Aika Lorraine Uy, na sobrang ginawa nila tong company para makatulong sa ibang tao, and ginawa nila yung company for them to share the opportunity na nangyari din sa kanila because of the business. So I Am Worldwide, by the way, is pioneering. Okay? However, in its 5 months pa lang, sobrang ibang klase na yung nangyari dito. So, ang motto natin or ang tagline natin is I am hope. Why? So many people spend their health gaining wealth, and then they have to spend their wealth to regain their health. So basically, ito yung nagiging cycle ng life na sana sa atin hindi na mangyari. And that's because of I Am Worldwide. This is the meaning of I am hope. Health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. So punta muna tayo sa health. So normally, ito yung reason kung bakit hindi nagiging hindi nagiging okay or bakit hindi tayo nagtatagal dito sa mundo. So pagdating ng mga 40s, 50s, dyan naglalabasan yan. 60s, ayan, dyan nagsastart yan. So partner natin in this business is Ms. Maritoni Fernandez. Just to give you a brief background regarding her, siya naman, she had a breast cancer, 3rd stage. So, more than 10 years ago. So, she almost died. But good thing, diba? Dahil sa will ni Lord, nakita niya ang barley. So, since then, ginamit niya na yun for the rest of her life. Ano bang meron sa barley? According sa scientist na si Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, so from Japan, my research has shown that the green leaves of the embryonic barley plant contains the most prolific, take note ha, most prolific balanced supply of nutrients that exist on earth in a single source. So pag sama-samahin mo daw lahat ng mga gulay ng green leafy food, ito yung isang single source lang pero katumbas niya lahat yun. Okay, so hindi na natin iisa-isahin. Ito yung ginamit ni Ms. Maritoni Fernandez. From Australia, yun yung ginamit niya, then dinala niya dito sa Philippines. Nag-sell siya through drugstores na Mercury Drugstore, pero exclusively sa I Am Worldwide din. Okay, so yun lang yung dalawa na sinusupply ni Ms. Maritoni, Mercury Drug and I Am Worldwide. Ayan, so ito yung ating green barley grass. So our products, most deaths are caused by diseases, not because of old age. So might as well, diba, prevention is always better than cure. So ito yung product natin, pwedeng yung juice type or yung capsule type. Maraming benefits sa barley if you could research it online. Ayan, mga testimonials natin na before may HIV, ngayon meron ng normal na buhay na ang kanyang immune system count tumaas na ng 200 plus, nakakapag-work na. Yan. And then we also have Choco Barley for kids, Tongkat Ali, and Coffee with Glutathione. Ayan, ito yung sobrang grabe. Grabe talaga. In 5 days, 5 million sales because of this. Ang daming gustong magpa-sexy, lalo na magsa-summer. Ang daming gustong magpapayat. So, ang maganda dito, bigyan ko lang to ng konting time, ang Garcinia Cambogia natin, ang maganda dito, it's all organic. Okay? And then, hindi siya laxative. Meaning to say, hindi mo kailangan pumunta ng CR lagi. And then, at the same time, ang maganda kasi dito, it's an appetite suppressant. Meaning to say, kung dati 5 rice yung nakakain mo, pag nag-Garcinia ka bago ka kumain, 1 cup of rice lang or less, busog ka na. Okay? So, ang ginagawa niya, yung mga papasok or in-intake mo na medyo fatty foods, instead na i-store niya sa katawan mo, ang gagawin niyang energy or ifa-flash out niya. Okay? So, again hindi mo kailangan ng strict na diet, hindi mo kailangan mag-gym, hindi mo kailangan na masa bahay lang dahil magsi-CR ka. So, continuous pa rin yung routine mo, pero at the same time, binaburn niya na yung fat. Okay? So, ang maganda rin dito, first time in the Philippines na juice type. And, before kasi coffee and capsule, ito juice type, i-add up mo lang. Okay? Ito yung mga successful na gumamit. Actually, wala kaming negative feedback dito sa Garcinia. No? Lahat talaga, just a few days. Yan lagi yung comment nila, in just a few days of drinking. Imagine, nakarating na yung Garcinia natin sa Oman, sa Barcelona, nakarating na sa Canada, sa Japan, kung saan-saan na nakakarating ang Garcinia natin. And then we also have scalar energy pendant. So, taga-absorb naman siya ng radiation. Yung mga positive ions, ko-convert niya into negative ion. Ayan. Para at least hindi na tayo yung nag-absorb ng radiation. Ito yung mga users natin, ng barley natin. Ayan. So, opportunity. So, ito, one of our products is franchising business. And then, aside from the franchising business, of course, we have the health and wellness products. So, yung mga naging successful na because of I Am Worldwide in just 5 months, I repeat, in just 5 months na operational tong company na to, ang dami nang naging blessed. Mga former employee, even students, 'di ba? And ang kotse madaling bilhin. Pero pagka sa Philippines naka-luxury car ka, ibang usapan 'yan. 'Di ba? So sa I Am Worldwide, world record to. In just 5 months, luxury cars agad. Yan. So paano? Yun yung normal na tanong dyan eh. Really? Is that true? Paano? Okay? So, kung may experience ka na regarding multi-level marketing, network marketing, set aside mo muna. Why? This opportunity would change a lot of lives, including yours, kung bibigyan mo lang ng chance yung sarili mo. Okay? So, 4-step lang to. You just need to avail a package. No membership fee kasi 100% kapalit naman products eh. So, you just need to avail the packages and then refer. How many persons do I need to refer? At least 2 to 4 persons only. Okay? If more than that, then good for you. Pero sa amin, in just 4 persons, 4 lang, 4, pwedeng nang bumalik yung puhunan mo, kumita pa. Okay? And then, of course, ang sabi natin, refer. Meaning to say, we'll do the talking. You just need to refer. Okay? And then, you might as well learn it fast para at least mas malaki yung kikitain mo sa business kung matutunan mo. Okay? 2 to 4 persons na kilala mo na masipag. Bakit masipag? Sobrang sipag magtrabaho hanggang gabi. Halimbawa, call center, ang dami naming top earner na call center. OFW, ang dami naming members na OFW kasi gusto na umuwi ng Philippines, makasama yung family nila. Sobrang sisipag ng mga yan. 'Di ba? So maganda matulungan natin para at least madagdagan palalo yung income nila. Business owners, ang sisipag na yan, kaya nga mayayaman yan. And yung mga nagsisimula pa lang mag-business. Okay? Or nagsisimula pa lang mag-work. Pwede sila dito. Yan. So, ito yung ating packages. We have platinum and gold. Okay? So, pag di mo pa kaya mag-platinum, okay lang, mag-gold ka. Okay? So, ito, kung magkano yung nilabas mo, 100% babalik sa'yo. Ngayon, pag nakapag-refer ka at least 2 to 4 persons, ito naman yung babalik sa'yo. Kada referral mo ng platinum, 9,000. Kada referral mo ng gold, 3,500. That's unlimited. And then, ito na yan. Yan na yung i-discuss natin. Very simple lang. Just for you. Okay? For every 4 referrals na mapapasok sa company natin, regardless kung packages ang kinuha nila or food card franchise, you will get 100,000 pesos. Paano to? For example, you got a platinum account. Okay? So, nag-platinum ka, nag-refer ka. First referral mo, meron ka 9,000. Second referral mo, meron ka ulit 9,000. Plus 8,000 pesos. Third and fourth referral, same thing. Okay? So, dito pa lang, automatically, you've earned 50,000 pesos. 52,000 to be exact. Ngayon, sabi ng company, once na nagawa mo yung requirement na 4 persons, okay? Only 4 persons, yung investment mo na 112,000, less natin ng tax, kasi legal tayo, nagbabayad tayo ng tax, So, 100,000 yung pumasok sa company, ibabalik sa'yo. Okay? So, total of income mo is 152,000 pesos. Take note, this is no time frame. Meaning to say, kung may 112,000 ka, ininvest mo dito, nakaapat ka after a year, yung 100 mo, 152,000 pa rin. Unlike sa bangko, yung 112 mo, lagay mo sa bangko, after 1 year, it's still the same. Diba? Aside from the income na 152,000, may nakuha ka pang products. It's either yung food cart yun or yung mga health and wellness natin. So, parang free na yung products kasi nakuha mo ulit yung puhunan mo. Ngayon, ito yung good news. Some other people thinks naman dun sa positive side. What if makaapat ako every month? Kung makaapat ka every month, that's, yes, unlimited. That's unlimited 100,000 pesos. Every time na makaka-refer ka ng apat, you get 100,000 pesos. Okay? So that's very clear. It's unlimited and it has no time frame. So walang lugi. Walang lugi yung cash mo kasi 100% bumalik sa'yo as products. Okay? Ito yung maganda dyan. If you're able to refer 4 persons, let's just say in a month, okay, you got, actually it's 152,000. You got 152,000. Ngayon, what's the mindset of these 4 persons as well? They join you because they want or they know that they can also refer 4 persons. So if they can refer 4 persons as well in a month, that's just 1 referral per week, you'll get 60,000 pesos. Okay? Without any referrals na yan. Meaning to say, you just referred 4 persons. Ngayon, in the 3rd month, these 16 persons just referred 4 persons as well. Again, that's just 1 person per week. But you will earn 240,000 pesos. And so on and so forth. Okay, let's just say, hindi mo ito nakuha in 5 months. Okay? 5 months, it's 3 million or almost 4 million. That's too much. It's a total of 5 million actually. Imagine ha, ang capital mo is just 100,000. Where can you find a business that could earn this big? Diba? Wala. Ang good news dito, fast ROI, you get the return dun sa investment mo right away. And then at the same time, it's moving. Let's say hindi mo nakuha in 5 months, nakuha mo yung 5 million after 5 years. Pwede na, di ba? Kasi it's just 100,000. And in 5 years, there's no business that can give you that kind of income. Di ba? So ito, sample checks. Okay, akin to. Sample checks ko, weekly income ko with I Am Worldwide. I also have a video when cashing these checks in case you'll ask me, is that true? Yeah, it's true. 100% legitimate, government-registered, BIR, taxpayer. Some of our business partners' income, this check belongs to a 22 or I think 21-year-old man. Young, very young, okay? Very young guy. But he earned 119,000. Okay? This also belongs to him, 126,000, 132,000. How come a young guy, 21 years old, could earn this much? Hindi malaki ang connections niya. Hindi siya magaling. It's not that. It's because of the system. Okay? The system is very simple. You just need to refer 4 persons. Avail, refer, learn, and earn. Ngayon, what if? What if I want to join your system, however, I don't have 112,000? So you could start with a gold package. Gold package, however, is just 44,800. Very cheap for a business. Right? Because how much is iPhone 7? Honestly. So this is just 44,800. Mas mahal pa yung MacBook Pro. But this could give you hundreds of thousands. Why? It's just the same process. You just need to refer 4 persons. So, ang difference lang nito, instead na 8,000 and 9,000, this is 3,500 and 3,000. And then, you'll also get unlimited 40,000 every 4 referrals. So this is a total of 60,000 pesos every 4 referrals. Okay, again, no time frame and it's unlimited. Ayan. Comparison, same thing. You will invest, same thing, but what's the difference? You will do same thing pero the income is different. But it's up to you kung ano yung pasok sa budget mo. Ang share ko sa'yo is this business could really give you a lot of income kasi nangyari na sa amin. Give yourself a chance to try it. Example income ko weekly. So ako, graphic artist ako, pero pagka pinursu ko yung career ko, probably this would be my income in a month. Yung 35,000. Pero in IAM Worldwide, in a pioneering stage, it's just my income in a week. Take note, we're in a pioneering stage. Yeah, you've heard it right. So, these are the business partners of ours who also earned from the Just For You bonus. We have Miss Nympha and her husband. And then, ito naman sila, the Katanghal couples. So, actually, 2 beses na sila nag-Just For You. So, imagine, I think in just less than 2 months, twice silang nag-Just For You. So, yung capital nila na 112, it's 250,000 and counting. And then we also have incentives, trip to Korea, car incentives, yes, fully paid. Basta ma-hit mo. Again, we're in a pioneering stage, so sobrang hitable to. And then, if you are 18 to 24 years old, pasok ka dito sa youth empowerment na incentives natin. So, this is our team. Ito yung team namin. Mostly professionals, iba OFWs, business owners, students, iba-iba. Okay, so, yun lang. Thank you for your time. And, ASAP, kontakin mo yung nagbigay sa'yo ng video na to kasi I'm sure hindi lang ikaw ang pinasahan niya. And take note, 4 lang yung kailangan niya. So, sana maisa ka dun sa mauna. Dun sa 4 referrals. Bakit? Kasi if may 3rd and 4th siya, automatically under yun ang organization mo. Okay? So, grab the opportunity right away. Huwag mo nang isipin kung baka malugi, baka walang nagsistart ng business na ang iniisip negative. Okay? And, sabi ko nga kanina sa presentation, sobrang labong malugi ka nito. Kasi no time frame siya. Diba? And it's a very good business. Ang ganda ng products. Thank you for your time. If you have questions, tanong mo dun sa nag-refer sa'yo, nagbigay sa'yo ng video. Have a great day.